Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to be part of a collaboration with other creators to celebrate the launch of this new beautiful sticker book. So this was designed by Teresa and she is fresh and renewed with Teresa, and here's a cute little and sweet message from Teresa, and this is at Not Too Shabby shop, and you can get this sticker book, and it's called Cozy Season Sticker Book Volume 1, and I'm going to go through some of these beautiful stickers. So beautiful. I love every single sticker in this book. I am a planner. I use my planner daily so much, and I do enjoy decorating it. I love stickers, and these ones are just so great. I'm super excited to have them, and you will be so excited to use them as well. You get some for fall. Look how pretty these are. And they're like clear, so you can just take them off. I do use a tool later. It's easier to get it off with a tool. Look at these borders. So you have different ways of using these stickers. And you get sentiments as well. I love all of these. I am using a planner that I just recently purchased, and I am going to decorate it. And I love all these like washi tape borders as well. And you get boxes. So if you like to journal, these are super great. I'm not a great writer, like my writing isn't neat. And so I will just use the little boxes mostly. But look how pretty these are. And if you get ephemera or paper from Not Too Shabby, this is like similar, and I just love all the ephemera. So, and I love gingies, and these girls are just beautiful. So everything about this sticker book, look at these boxes. They coordinate with the different stickers in this book. I haven't used these pink ones, pink colored ones yet, but they're so gorgeous. Okay, so let's get started. So here is, I'm going to get my planner out. So we're decorating for the end of the year here. So we're doing November for this video. And I probably shouldn't have peeled it off here with my nails. I bent it a little at the corner, so my mistake there. But I'm just going to kind of just bend it out there. And I'm just placing these stickers randomly through my planner. I am not putting all my important dates on here just because of this video. But later I am going to fill this in with my writing that isn't so perfect, but I'm going to have fun and just for now just decorate. And I just love pumpkins, and I love sunflowers. Sunflowers are like one of my favorite flowers, so I like I said, every sticker in this book is just so beautiful and right up my alley. And every day there is going to be a different designer, so you will see lots of inspiration, and they will be sharing what they made using this sticker book. So I'm super excited to see what everyone is creating. And especially, you know, Teresa, because this is her, she designed this sticker book, so I'm excited. And in the back of the book, it says, because of the love, she designed the sticker book with Dutch doors in mind. So you'll see some of these stickers that have the Dutch doors in mind there. And so yeah, so I got my tool out and it's easy to use to get these stickers out with the tool. You can use your nails. I ended up using my nails later again, but I'm just grabbing some of these pumpkins. And I love that pie. I put that one for Thanksgiving. So pretty. And I love the coffee. Love, love, love the coffee ones. And so I am going to use some of that washi there. And I'm just going to cut it, I believe. And I'm going to put one on the bottom and one on the top. And so after I am done decorating, I will put a couple of notes on here. Like I do know a couple of things that are in my mind that I can easily journal. I'll have to get better at writing. I keep saying that I'm going to get better at my writing, but you know, as we get older, it gets a little worse. Um, so I'll have my goals. I'm going to put a box there. And some planners or journals, the boxes will just fit perfectly over the squares, or you can cut them to fit and put your own numbers. You can do that as well. I do have another planner that you can fill in the numbers, and so I can always use more stickers for that planner as well. So I started using a pencil. My pencil didn't show up well, so I'm going to grab a black pen and go over this. This is just a black Sharpie, a skinny marker, and it's just going to say meeting because I do have a meeting with our teacher who helps us with homeschooling. So we do that once a month. And so I do know that I do have a meeting this week. And of course, I like to put for the goal tracking, I'll probably put my fitness goals because I am a avid exercise person. So I will probably put that in there. And I love this sentiment with the coffee. Just a gal who loves fall, or just a girl who loves fall. Can't read without my glasses on right now. And my planner is far from my desk right now, so, and I just love all these stickers. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon with another tutorial.